New classic style truck, retro design with modern technology. Here is a general overview. Style, vintage/classic exterior with modern engineering. Engine, usually 2.0L, 6.2L petrol or diesel, depends on the model. Transmission, manual or automatic. Seating, 2 to 5 people. Features, air conditioning, touchscreen, reverse camera, ABS brakes, airbags, LED lights, and power steering. Price. A new retro-style truck can cost from about $25,000 for some basic models to over $80,000 for premium or restored classic trucks, depending on the brand and specifications. The Verge Plus One. Where are they available? You can find classic-style trucks through authorized dealerships of truck manufacturers, classic and restored vehicle dealers, online vehicle marketplaces in your country. If you are in Pakistan, imported pickup trucks are available through selected dealerships and importers, while models such as JAC pickups are officially sold through local dealers. Pacwheels.com Plus One. If you meant a specific truck model, for example, a classic Chevrolet, Ford, or another brand, tell me its name and I'll provide its exact price, specifications, and availability.
Some legends never fade. They only get better. The all-new classic.